Hey guys, it's Tony. Just letting you guys know that DogeCoin just broke day highs and also broke week highs. And we're basically at month highs and all-time highs right now. So I do think, like I said before of the TA, I do think we're well underway of going towards 8 cents. As long as we keep this momentum, right? We can always go to 0 any day. But I do think as of right now, like statistically, there is a higher chance that we'll hit 8 cents again, as opposed to going back down to like 2 cents. But just letting you guys know, we are back at week highs, month highs. We basically broke them because the last time we actually hit the 8 cent mark was, I think, January 28th, and we created a huge wick on that candle. Let me see if you guys can actually, yeah, see, there you go. So this is January 28th. We created that huge wick of 8 cents right there. And I do think we're headed back towards that level. And then from there, it's basically gauging on momentum, whether, looking at indicators, volume, momentum, how much money is actually going in there, and kind of seeing if it consolidates around the 8 cent level, whether it's going to drop down back to like around the 5 cent mark, or it's going to shoot up to 10, 11 cents. But we can't really make any decision, or I can't really make a forecast until we hit that 8 cent mark. And I kind of look at where, all the indicators are pointing to, where the hype is, what certain people are tweeting and stuff. But, until then, we're basically just waiting it out. But just letting you guys know, we did just break day highs and week highs on the regular close chart. So, let's kind of go from there.